welcome. I am just about to record for you a very short summary recap of our Improvers Solo Quickstep practice routine number 8. Can you believe it? Number 8. Okay, this was taught in today's class. That is the 26th of September 22. So if you're in my video library and you're looking for the full 90-minute class, 26th of September 22. And if you're in YouTube, in the playlist, then you are just seeing these little summaries rather than the full classes. And if I have gone a little bit fast in the next few minutes, it's because we went a lot slower in the class, broke it all down, built it up, practiced it a number of times. This is just a little memory aid. In fact, I'm going to start over here. We're going to start with a chassis and a spin turn, but I'm going to start with my back or my front facing the back of my room about the edge of the space. So I'm going to be on followers steps, lady steps, back, side, close, forwards, swing, brush in, brush out. Just basic progressive chassis into the spin turn. Forwards lock, step straight into the toes. And then running out, 3 steps. Let me call the timing. Slow, quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow, and a quick, quick, slow. Watch out for your space because we are obviously in smaller space and we have to be careful of the furniture. Right foot's got the weight on. I'm going to take a forward step on my left. I'm going to do a forwards lock on my right. Step, cross, step. And 2 rotational chassis, or like a tipple chassis. Side, close, side, side, close, side. Left foot first, left hip into that wall. Side, close, side, pivot around, and then side, close, side. Except I did overturn mine a little bit and point myself towards that wall, so I was a little bit more sideways and then almost forwards. Okay, let's do that again. From the spin turn, slow, quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow, and a quick, quick, slow. Slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, and a quick, quick, slow. Next section, going back on my left foot, 1 slow. Going back into my right foot, slightly lower, dropping down, I'm going to start a reverse pivot, swing the leg round, and then going to run it out with a little running turn, quick, quick, slow. So again, make that shorter if you need to. Slow. Oh, have I missed a section? I've missed a section, I do apologise. We're going to do this. So this is a combination of the men's telemark and the ladies telemark, one after the other. So I'm going to do this. Back, in, out, slight hesitation, brush it in with my right, back, heel turn, exit. Remember we're dancing solo, so I'm putting leaders and followers steps in totally random order. Slow, 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 slow. That's what I've forgotten. Now we're going back. Back, back and pivot. Run that one out. Okay? Now, for the little ending, go carefully because I did a little solo travelling turn and I did right, left, right and a little slide. But I did do it quick. I made it a little pivot. And a little jazz hand slide at the end, Fred Astaire, Ginger Rogers style. So let's put that all together. Okay, I'll call the names of the moves out, and like I say, roughly speaking, this is what they would be in the ballroom, but there is a little bit of artistic license here in terms of the amount of rotation, over and under rotation. There's a couple of places where I have exchanged a couple of quicks for a slow to make it easier for solo dancing in the living room. This is just for fun, not for competitions, and certainly not precise enough to be dancing with a partner, but you'll get the gist of it, okay? So, back, spin turn, forwards lock on the left, run out, forwards left, lock on the right, chassis with the rotation, second chassis, telemark step, brush it in, hesitation, second telemark step on the other follower side, back, back and pivot, run it out, and then right, left, right, slide. Guys, I'm going to call the slows and the quicks that I put in for this routine today. Slow, quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, and quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow, quick, 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 slow. Guys, I hope you found that useful. Improvers Solo Quick Step routine number 8, short summary, little recap, just to refresh our memories, and so I can put that in my playlist on YouTube and in my video library. If you're enjoying these, thank you so much for supporting me. If you're on YouTube, please hit the subscribe and the notification bell. It helps the channel grow. And if you're in my video library, thank you so much. And I will see you all very, very soon. Bye-bye.